Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to turn on vibration on iPhone. So all you need to do is go into settings right here. So let's click on settings. And then we're going to be scrolling down until we see sounds and haptic. So let's click on this. And if we go down, here are a few options that you can take a look at. So let's go on ringtone, for example. If we go all the way up, we should be able to see a vibration right here. So if it is set at none, that means that your phone will not vibrate when you are using this ringtone. So go ahead and choose any of these standards, or even a custom one if you wanted to. And then this will then be your new vibration. So let's go back and take a look at what other things that we can take a look at. So say for example, we can receive a text. We can also change and see if we can add a vibration into this by doing the same thing right here. And you should be able to grab them. And the same things for all of these. So voicemail, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts. So all of this has vibration options right here. Now, we can also take a look at keyboard and feedback. So if you want to add vibrations into that, all you need to do is toggle on the haptic right here. And then let's go down within the ring mode or the silent mode. So this can be on this little toggle on the side of your iPhone to turn this into ring mode or silent mode. You can go ahead and choose to turn on the haptics. So haptics means the vibration. So if you want to have vibration in ring mode and vibration in silent mode, you can go ahead and do that as well. And finally, at the bottom, we have system haptics. So you can play haptics for any system controls and interactions that you have. And there you go. Now you're able to turn on your vibration on all of your settings in your iPhone. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.